when I think of the greatest moments of my life, breaking juggling world records, getting standing ovations in my show, all amazing, but don't think anything can compare to being upgraded from economy to business class on Vueling Airlines 1A. Doesn't get much better than this. Okay, looks like I'm the fifth person on the flight, not too bad. I just love the quality leather seats that they have here. Oh, this is beautiful. I got a glass of water. Oh, the service is amazing. Oh, that's some of the best water I've ever tasted from an airplane.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Attendant just told me I can order any food I want at any time, and they'll just put it in the microwave and send it over to me just like a real restaurant. This is fantastic. Oh yeah. I think I might go for a ham sandwich, olives, Pringles, lemonade, and my sandwich is currently in the microwave. This looks incredibly like the picture. I don't know what I've done in my life to deserve this. That might have been about twice as many olives as I really needed. The time has come. Oh yeah. The entertainment system on this flight is pretty incredible. Look at this, the screen is so beautiful. Anybody else stuck on level 24,622 of Desert Golfing? Because I'm up to 506 shots on this level and I still can't get it.
No, she's going skyward.
It's time for me to get a bit of sleep, so I'm just gonna make it a bit dark in here. There we go. Maybe a bit darker still. Oh my goodness, they let me have a second lemonade. Oh, 2 lemonades in one flight. Back in Berlin.
Are you ready? Thank you. Cuando quieras. See ya.
Yeah, okay,
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Right then. Yeah, I'll take another front seat.